Facing Your Demons, a guide to overcoming personal struggles. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing and deeply meaningful phrase in the English language: facing one's demons. This expression is rich with metaphorical significance, and understanding it can not only enhance your language skills but also offer insights into personal growth and resilience. Let's explore what it means to face your demons, where this phrase comes from, and how it's used in everyday conversation. Facing one's demons is a metaphorical expression that refers to confronting the difficult, troubling, or negative aspects of oneself. These demons can be fears, flaws, vices, or any personal challenges that one might be struggling with. The phrase suggests a brave confrontation with these aspects, rather than avoiding them, in order to overcome or resolve them. The concept of demons, in this context, doesn't refer to literal supernatural beings but rather serves as a symbol for internal conflicts or obstacles. The origin of this expression is rooted in various cultures and religions where demons represent inner turmoil or moral challenges. Over time, it has evolved into a common idiom in English, used to talk about dealing with personal issues in a direct and courageous manner. Personal development. After years of running from his past, he's finally facing his demons and starting therapy. In literature and movies, characters might be shown facing their demons by confronting their fears or making amends for past actions. Self-reflection. This year, I've decided to face my demons and work on my procrastination habit. Facing one's demons is crucial for personal growth and mental health. It implies acknowledging and dealing with your issues head-on, which is often the first step towards healing and improvement. This process can be challenging but is ultimately rewarding, leading to a stronger, more self-aware individual. We hope this video has shed light on the powerful phrase, facing one's demons. It's a reminder that everyone has their own battles, but confronting them bravely is key to overcoming them. Remember, facing your demons is a journey of courage, and it's a path towards becoming your best self. Thank you for watching, and we wish you strength and wisdom on your journey of personal growth. See you in the next video.